Hey, you think these wheels will fit a stock Miata?
I don't know, man. It looks kind of big.
Are you sure?
Should we try it? All right, so people often ask me, hey, you think I can use your wheel setup on my car? And most of the time it's like a stock Miata slammed, and they always ask me this, and I'm just like, I don't know, dude. I don't think it's gonna work. So these are 15 by 12 negative 30s-ish with 295, 35, 15 Hoosier tires. All right, this is Don's 93 LE. He loves the LE because he has a red interior. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in a stock body car. All right, let's do this. If you guys cringe that I'm using a torque wrench to break the lug nuts, don't be sad, it's a broken torque wrench. These are 16s, right?
Yep.
So those are 16s, 8.5. All right, see how this baby looks? These are the rears. You can tell because the dish is much bigger. Now when you're torquing down your wheels, you want to go crisscross. You don't want to do this. Okay. All right, so we got the first wheel installed, and I can already see it's like 4 inches freaking out. So I'm gonna try to put this thing down slowly so I don't crush his fenders. Ish. Oh, it's hard. There you go. It fits. Here's the front. Okay. All right, so that's how it looks like on a stock body car. Look at that thing. 16 by 8s, 15 by 12s. Dude, it looks like a F1 car. Look at this thing. It's literally sticking out like a full, I don't know, 5 inches or so. Look at the front. Crazy. This thing is crazy. Looks badass from the side though. Ah, Don, what do you think? Looks crazy. 15s, man. Oh crap. Look at that thing. Versus this side. Crazy. All right, we're gonna do the rest and then let's see if we can start rolling. So 15 by 12s, negative 35 with a 295 will definitely not fit your Miata. Unless it's like hella cambered. The camber on this thing right now is around -3, it looks like it. And 295's just way too wide for a stock body. Unless, obviously, if you camber it a lot and you stretch your tire, this profile is actually not very stretched, so you're gonna have issues. And the clearance also, like look at the clearance, it's insanely like, it's non-existent. Doesn't even fit, my finger doesn't fit between there. And the front right here, obviously if you have this tire, you're gonna hit the back right here of your fender and also the front of your bumper right here. So if you try to run this tire combo and wheel combo on your stock Miata, it's not gonna work. So you know, you have to figure out how to cut the body panels, and you got to make space, maybe even pull in the control arms if you have V8 Roadster arms. Oh shit, that looks so funny, dude. Oh my god, that thing's like a freaking steamroller. crazy. Alright, so now we know you can't put these wheels on a stock Miata. You gotta have either a crazy wide body or a Rocket Bunny kit.